guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Jessa Kowitz and I do beauty, fashion, lifestyle, and a little bit of luxury unboxing. So if those are the types of videos that you watch here on YouTube, then please make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you'll get notified every time I posted a video. So in today's video, I'm gonna be unboxing a Daniel Wellington watch. It was kindly sent to me for a review, and also I have a personalized discount code for you guys. It's not affiliated code, it's just a discount for you guys. If you want to get a discount on your order from Daniel Wellington, it is going to be JKDW for 15% off. I'm actually going to leave all the details on the description box just in case I'll miss something. But anyways, let's get started. This is so exciting. So this is the one that I received from Daniel Wellington. It's so classy, it's very well put together, and it kind of remind me of like a Louis Vuitton collapsible box, actually, because of the magnetic closure, which is very luxurious. And the box, I thought at first it's black, but it's actually like dark navy, and it has like gold foiling on the center. It says Daniel Wellington, and it has this beautiful bow, so it's like kind of perfect as a gift. Actually, it's perfect for Valentine's Day gift. So this is the box, and then this kind of reminds me of like Louis Vuitton unboxing. But anyway, let's move on. So this is the box. This is what it looks like, and it comes again with another box. This is so cool, you guys, because you can like store this specific box because it's like collapsible, like it ends up like in a flat, you know, box. Anyways, let's move on. So there's another box right here that protects the inside box. It's so Cartier inspired, and I'm so impressed because it's very luxurious looking, guys. So that is that. So I'm just gonna take this other box right here, and this is the final box, you guys. So when the PR team from Daniel Wellington reached out to me, I got so excited, especially when she sent me the link of this specific collection, because this is a limited edition. It's only available until the 19th of February. And yeah, I get so excited because it's like one of my favorite tone. Like, it's kind of like, I'll show you. So this is actually what it looks like inside the box. Ta-da! So it has a compartment for the watch, and it also comes with a bangle or bracelet, whatever you call it. But yeah, it's so cool, you guys. I love this kind of color. It's actually called berry. Anyways, I'm gonna take this off now and show you the watch. So it's called Classic Petite Suffolk, which is a limited edition. It is a genuine leather, I believe. The strap material is an Italian leather, and it is made in China, and the movement, like the specific like watch, is from Japan, which is really cool. And the face is in white, and the frame is, I believe it's in rose gold. Am I blind now? Okay, so it's in rose gold, and it has this DW over here, which like it's a genuine Daniel Wellington. It actually has saying in there that it's a genuine leather, and it has the Daniel Wellington logo at the back, and it's actually also water resistant. And what else can we talk about? The serial number and everything is right at the back. So yeah, and it comes with a tag. I'm just gonna remove the tag quickly. So this is what it looks like on my wrist. It's actually the 32 millimeters, which is actually the second to the smallest, I believe. I just picked this size because I think it's very feminine, and yeah, I actually like it, and it complements my color, my skin tone, and actually nice with the contrast with the black. I think it's perfect for when you're wearing black, pink, or white, which is actually my favorite color. Anyway, so this is what it looks like. It's very casual and easy. You got nothing to worry about. If you're a mom, I think this is perfect. I'm a mom, and I think it's very nice. Daniel Wellington makes really minimalistic, and It's so classic. I love it. It's so sleek as well, and it's so thin on the side. I really love it so much. Anyways, I'm gonna quickly show you the bangle that comes with it. It's a rose gold bangle that has Daniel Wellington on the middle and like some berry lining on top and on the bottom of the writing. And this is what it looks like, you guys. It's so freaking cute, you guys. It's so cute. I'm so obsessed. I love it so much. It's so minimalistic, but it's so classic and very proper. I think this is also perfect for those of you who works in the office. I don't know, like you can wear this in very like many ways. I think you can dress up or dress down. I think it should be fine. And yeah, this bangle just give a little bit of oomph to it. And actually you can wear the bangle by itself on the other side, so it's like, right, it's so cute. It's so, yeah, it's so like simple yet elegant. Alright, so I just put them back again together. So if you live here in Australia, it actually retails for $229, which is actually really good. I would pay $229 just for the watch, and the bangle is free. Like, come on, $229, it's so good. And they also offer free shipping, and they have 2 years warranty, which is awesome. And yeah, that's what I think about Daniel Wellington. I'm so excited. I can't wait to use more of this. My very first PR unboxing from Daniel Wellington, and it's so amazing. And thank you so much, Daniel Wellington, for sending this to me. I'm so in love. And again, I'm going to leave all the details on the description box. If you're interested, you can use my discount code. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you find this video helpful. Have a lovely day, and this has been Jessa Kowitz, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!
I'm so glad that you're here with me.